On the continent column, we want conditional formatting to highlight North America or South America. Select the data, create a new rule using a formula. We want the OR function. We need to work our way down the column, starting with the first cell in the data range, equals North America, which needs to be wrapped in double quotes, a comma to separate the text values, select the data for these two columns, create another rule, this one is the AND function. Working our way down the column, if we want to highlight an entire row, we need to select the entire table array. Create a new rule. Start with the AND function. Column B has to be English. Column C greater than 20. And the third condition, we can nest the OR function in here. Check for our two conditions. Close the brackets for the OR function, close the brackets for the AND function. If we introduce a little heat wave in the United States, boom. Until the next time, we are done.